Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to design this sales dashboard and our primary focus will be on this visual. It is called box and whisker chart. This is the box and these outer lines are called whiskers. And this chart is not actually available here in the list of visuals. However, you can download this chart from online store and it is completely free. So I have this right here. So this chart basically represents the statistical analysis of your data. So we have sales here and this data represents the statistical analysis of our sales. So if we look at this box and whisker, it is the sales of laptop, and these are the sales of smartphones. So these are the minimum and these are the maximum sales for laptops, and these are represented on the whiskers. And in the box, you have the Q1 and then Q2, which is the median, and then you have the Q3, which is quartile 3. And then in the middle, you have this circle, which is the average of your sales for your laptops. And this is the same minimum, maximum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and average. So there is a lot of information, there is a lot of statistical information on these two simple boxes and whiskers, and that makes this chart so important. So this chart basically shows the distribution and consistency of our sales, and it basically reflects the performance of sales performance of each product type. So simply by looking at this chart, we can tell that we have higher sales of smartphones and we have lower sales of laptops. However, there are many other things. For example, we have consistent sales of smartphones across all cities, and we have somewhat inconsistent or volatile sales of our laptops. And we can also see here that the lowest sales of our smartphone is even higher than the average sales of our laptops. So basically, the performance of our smartphone sales is much better than the performance of our laptops. And each of these dots, these green dots, represent a specific data point. So these are the sales in the city of New York of laptops, and these are the sales in the city of Boston of smartphones. The size of this box represents the volatility. So that is why these sales are more volatile and these sales are more consistent. And this minimum sales line represents the floor value of sales. That is why we can tell that the minimum per city sales of our smartphones is higher than the average sales of our laptops. So basically, these charts provide us a lot of useful statistical information which we can use to identify our best and worst performing products, and based on that we can make our sales decisions. So now let's go ahead and design this dashboard from the sales data. So this is our data set. We have the name of cities, which are divided into two regions, north and south. And then we have two type of products and their sales. So this is our data set, which we are going to import into Power BI using get data, and here it is. We will select the sales sheet and click on the load button to load the data into the data pane. So here is our data. Now we are going to design our dashboard by inserting a text box for title, and we will call our dashboard BW sales, and let's make it bold and change its font size to 24. And we can also add visual borders and make the corners rounded. Great. Now we are going to add sales right here like this, and we'll remove the category label and change the font size to, which is already 24, so let's leave it that at that and make it bold, and add visual border and rounded corners. And now we are going to add some visuals and display sales by region and product. And since we have quite simple data set with not so many products or regions, we can use pie chart or donut chart. So let's add a donut chart here and add sales to the values, and add the product to legend. So now we have two types of products, and we have sales for both in this chart. Let's turn on visual borders and rounded corners, and let's make a copy of this chart and paste it here. And we will change the legend and replace the product with region. Now we have sales by region. So we have both sales by product and sales by region. And now we will add a custom visual, and we'll use this get more visuals, and from here we will search the box and whisker chart, this one. So this is completely free. You can check the price here, which says it is totally free. So we will add this to our dashboard, and now it is available here. So we will add this to dashboard just like other visuals and place it here. So now we are going to add sales into the value right here, and we are going to add city to axis and product to axis category. And now we can see the sales performance of both laptops and smartphones in different cities. So let's add visual borders and rounded corners to this as well. And now our dashboard is ready.